Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change fan speed on LENOVO V15. First of all, you have to enter the BIOS mode on your computer. In order to do that, you have to turn it off completely, and then press the power button to start up your computer, and then repeatedly press F2 key until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. You can navigate in this menu using left and right keys to change tabs, and to navigate between options, use top and down arrow keys. This way you have to go to the configuration menu, then go to system performance mode, press enter, and now if you want, by default you have intelligent cooling enabled. If you want to increase fan speed, select extreme performance. If you want to decrease it, select battery saving. To select an option, press enter, and to apply changes, press F10 and then enter. To exit without applying changes, press escape, and to restore default values, press F9 and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.